So to export multiple artboards of artwork is quite straightforward. All you need to do when you've got your artwork ready is say you go to File, you go Export, and I usually do either one of two ways. You can go Export for Screens or Export As. So the first way I can show you is Export for Screen. So let's just say these three artworks are ready to go, and we want to export all three of these artworks. So you can see Export for Screens allows us to create a folder, create like a subfolder, and we can actually click and choose and see what format we're exporting this as, what the scale is, yeah, and then kind of just pick the range, or you can just click and choose and tick which ones you kind of want to export. So say you want to skip the yellow one and just do the blue and the purple, you're going to see the range is going to update accordingly. So you can export it that way, and you can clear selection if you don't want to export anything. The second way is if you go File, Export, and go Export As. This way you can also export it as a JPEG or a PNG also. Let's just say you want to export all three of these mug images as PNG transparent backgrounds. So we're just going to go all for the artboard. We're going to use artboards as well, so that means Illustrator is going to export using all three artboards as PNGs. So if we just go export, and we're going to just choose the same settings that we've done. Transparent background, always remember that it's checkerboard. Leave it as high at 300 ppi. Say for example we're exporting all three of these as transparent background PNGs. You're going to see each one of these has been exported as a vector image with a transparent background. Obviously the arms are not filled out white, but you can see that each one is transparent, and then same with the yellow. So that makes it quite a clear image. And then yeah, if you want to do it an easier way, you can just go Export for Screens, and then you can also choose what sort of format, and you can add additional scale, so you can export this all three images as different formats as well, which is quite good depending on what you need the images for, like website and print, that sort of thing. Okay, let me know if you got any questions.